Yeah, but good size.
All right. So moving to the shoal was a really good idea. Well, that's a nice one, Jenna. It's the biggest fish of the trip so far. He put his head up when he's ready. Okay, steer him back. Oh, he's a strong fish. That chartreuse clouser. Okay, put your rod tip up. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. There we go. Got him. Oh, Jenna. Oh, look at that. That's the fish of the trip. Look at it.
Wow. Holy cow.
Big post-spawn female.
And it was right where you said it would be.
Yeah, well, this is a good shoal. You spotted it.
And there's a cluster of boulders right over there. I cast just to the left and right away. Slow retrieval, hooked him.
Oh, good job, Jenna Rose. Look at that beautiful bass. Okay.
There you go.
Structure is what you must look for when seeking bass at this time of year. This structure may be the edge of a weed line, a fallen tree, a brush pile, or even an isolated rock. Man-made structures such as docks are fish magnets. A favorite expression about smallmouth bass is, you may find structure that is not holding bass, but you will never find bass without structure.
So did your dad call that right? I
He
said
did.
put one right by that rock?
And I did right on the rock and
Got him. Okay. It's another male. There we go. This clouser's just deadly today. I like about the clouser is that you always see and feel the strike, so. And so let him go like that.